Question number 161. Match column A and column B. Select the correct option. In column A, the very first option given is uremia, and uremia is a condition which is referred to as accumulation of urea in blood. So A in column A goes with fourth option in column B, accumulation of urea in blood. So A goes with fourth option. The next option in column A is renal calculi is the condition in which insoluble masses of crystallized oxalate salts form within the kidney. So B option in column A goes with first option in column B, crystallized oxalate salts. So B option goes with first option in column B. The next option in column A is ANF. ANF represents atrial natriuretic factor, and it is a factor which is released in response to high blood pressure or high blood volume or high glomerular filtration rate, and this ANF is released from the wall of atria of the heart and causes vasodilation. So C in column A goes with second option in column B, vasodilator. And the last option in column A is vasa recta. Vasa recta and loop of Henle help in concentrating the urine by counter-current mechanism. So D in column A goes with third option in column B. So D goes with third option in column B. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, A with 4, B with 1, C with 2 and D with 3. So the correct answer is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 162. Select the odd one with respect to its source of secretion. And the options are gastrin, enterogastron, secretin and duocrinin. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, gastrin. Because the source of gastrin is stomach. Whereas the rest of the options, enterogastron, secretin and duocrinin are the incorrect options because the source of secretion of these hormones is small intestine. So the odd one with respect to its source of secretion is gastrin, and the correct answer is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 163. Select the mismatch with respect to contraceptive method. And the very first match given is multi-load 375 and the match is copper releasing IUD. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because multi-load 375 is a copper releasing IUD. Now the next option given is condoms and the match is barrier method, and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because condoms are a barrier method. The next option is vasectomy and the match given is sterilization method, and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because vasectomy and tubectomy are sterilization contraceptive methods. The last match given is coitus interruptus and the match is surgical method, and as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question because coitus interruptus or withdrawal method Withdrawal method is a natural method of contraception in which withdrawal of penis is ensured before ejaculation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 164. Vidal test is the confirmatory test for. Select the option which fills the blank correctly. And the options are typhoid, syphilis, tuberculosis and dengue. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, typhoid. This is also given in your NCERT book that Vidal test is the confirmatory test for typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial disease caused due to Salmonella typhi. Let's discuss rest of the options. The next option is syphilis and this cannot be a correct answer. Syphilis is a bacterial disease and the diagnostic test for syphilis is VDRL. VDRL stands for Venereal Disease Research Laboratory. The next option is tuberculosis and this cannot be a correct answer. Tuberculosis is also a bacterial disease and the diagnostic test for tuberculosis is Montauk's test. And the last option given is dengue, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because dengue is a viral disease and tourniquet test is a diagnostic test for dengue. For dengue is tourniquet test. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 165. Total percentage of carbon dioxide transported through blood plasma is, and the options are 7%, 70%, 23% and 77%. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, 77%. 77% of CO2 is transported through blood plasma. That is 7% in dissolved state plus 70% in form of bicarbonate. In blood plasma. The rest of the options, 7% and 70%, are the incorrect options because total percentage of CO2 is 77%, which is constituted by 7% and 70% of different forms of carbon dioxide. And the next option is 23%, and this cannot be a correct answer because 23% of carbon dioxide is transported in form of carbaminohemoglobin in RBCs. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.